Hi, I'm Denzel Lall, here to show you what you need to know to work with the latest generation of REDI-Sensor multi-application TPMS sensors and how they can make your TPMS service easier. I'm here today with John Sears, an ASE Master Technician, a TIA Automotive Tire Service Advanced Instructor, and a Senior Tech Support Team member. John, what do shops need to know about the new generation of REDI sensors?
The first thing they should know is that, like the originals, these new REDI sensors come pre-programmed and don't require programming or cloning.
So REDI-Sensor is still ready right out of the box, correct?
Correct.
And what about the application coverage with the new REDI sensors?
Our 4 new REDI sensors replace 6 of our previous generation sensors, and these 4 sensors give you coverage for over 90% of domestic, Asian, and European vehicles.
Well, shops will certainly like that. What else is different about the new REDI sensors?
Well, triggering or relearning for the new REDI sensors is basically the same as our older generation.
So you want to install, mount, and air up before you do your trigger or relearn.
Correct, and depending on the vehicle, the relearn may be done either with a TPMS tool or through auto relearn.
I know that the new REDI-Sensor TPMS sensors require TPMS tools from either ATEC, BARTEC, or Auto Diagnose.
Yes, and the software in the tool must be the latest version in order to work successfully.
So if I have a brand new TPMS tool, am I good to go?
Not necessarily. The tool may be new, but it may have gone into the box with older software. You'll want to check for software updates to make sure you can do the service successfully.
I know that the REDI-Sensor is compatible with TPMS technologies such as pressure by position and tire fill alert systems, but how about auto relearning? Can REDI-Sensor deliver?
For applicable vehicles, REDI-Sensor provides auto relearning capability.
Well, it sounds like the new generation of REDI-Sensor checks all the boxes.
I would definitely say so.
So if you're doing TPMS service in your shop, go with the TPMS sensor that saves time and money. I'm Denzel Lall, along with John Sears. Please like our YouTube channel to get more of the latest TPMS info.